Welcome to our tutorial video for DJI Matrice 4 series, where we will introduce how to use DJI Matrice 4 obstacle sensing module. Detach the aircraft E-port cover, then install the module on top of the aircraft. Tighten the screws on both sides of the module. Use the hex wrench included in the package to tighten them again until the wrench is bent slightly. Tighten the bracket screws. Remove the protective cover. Power on the aircraft. Make sure the aircraft and the dock are linked. Download and install the DJI Enterprise app. Connect the smartphone to the USB-C port of the DJI Dock 3. Open the DJI Enterprise app. An activation prompt will pop up when using the obstacle sensing module for the first time. Please follow the on-screen instructions for activation. Enter the DJI Flight Hub 2 project page. Click the module icon in the device list. Before takeoff, make sure there are no error messages. Activation can also be performed with the remote controller. Power on the remote controller and the aircraft. Open the DJI Pilot 2 app. An activation prompt will pop up when using the obstacle sensing module for the first time. Please follow the on-screen instructions for activation. The accessory model will be displayed. On the home page of DJI Pilot 2, make sure there are no error messages before takeoff. Before updating the firmware, make sure the obstacle sensing module is installed on the aircraft. The firmware can be updated via DJI Flight Hub 2. Open DJI Flight Hub 2. Select the device that needs an update on the device management page. Then click Can Update. The firmware of the obstacle sensing module will be updated, along with the aircraft firmware. Alternatively, it can also be updated via DJI Pilot 2. If the aircraft firmware is the latest version, tap the firmware shortcut on the home page. Tap Update All. Additionally, you can also use DJI Assistant 2 to connect to the aircraft for firmware update. Keep the dome surface clean. Do not touch it directly with your hands. Regularly wipe the dome surface with a soft cloth. Do not use alcohol or other solvents for cleaning. When the aircraft is used with the dock, make sure to attach the positioning stickers in the package. On the dock cover, ensure it is firmly attached. The obstacle sensing module needs regular calibration to maintain its optimal performance. The obstacle sensing module has detection blind zones for obstacles of different sizes and materials. The obstacle sensing ability may be limited. In the following situations, obstacle sensing may fail. Please fly with caution and take manual control if necessary.